There's 30 minutes to go, 20 minutes to go for the market closing. Time for our segment, D Street Chatter. Nimish is here with what's happening in dealing rooms and what he's picking up. Nimish, what's on your list today?
Prashant, not a bad outcome given the weak global cues. So the Nifty sitting in the green, the Bank Nifty is in the green, and even from a flow perspective, it's not like there is aggressive selling. Yes, there is selling basket, but that's largely on the PSU names, especially the power PSUs, where I understand there is aggressive selling from the larger FIs. So that's one pocket which is seeing some bit of selling pressure today. Even the broader markets are relatively under pressure. The mid-cap index is down 0.5%, and the advanced decline is close to 1:2 on the sell side. But even within the mid-caps, there are some notable gainers as well, and those are buzzing on large volume. So it's a kind of a mixed day, so to speak, from a flow perspective and from a market perspective as well. I guess technically 24,800 is a very crucial support on the downside. If that gets taken out, then you could see a very sharp correction. That's the technical feedback. But broadly, we've seen some support around those levels even in today's market. So it looks like that's a level to watch. But from a market point of view, it's not a bad outcome given the weak global cues.
Nimesh, hi. What about individual stocks?
Well, so a lot of individual names are buzzing in the broader markets as well. The first name is Electro-Steel Casting. There was a large block in morning trade and the stock is recovered after that. 1.1 crore shares got changed hands. I understand a leading FI investor was a seller in today's block and some domestic mutual funds were buyers. So the disclosure will be quite interesting. And I was looking at the data, the FIs in total owns close to 20% in Electro-Steel Casting. So the disclosures will be interesting there. The second name is Vodafone Idea. Under pressure for second day running, we saw a big cut on Friday after the Goldman note. The volumes are on the higher side. Interestingly, I understand in the last couple of days, some large H1 investors have aggressively bought, and also there is a buzz of some a small creeping done by the promoter entities as well. So that part would be quite interesting if there is a disclosure from the managements in the days to come on creeping acquisitions. So that is something to track in Vodafone Idea. The third name is Paytm. Big move on that name as well. Large volumes even in today's market. I've been highlighting for the last few days that there could be a large block very soon. But now I understand the entire block could be bought by a single strategic investor. So again, the block deal in Paytm is something interesting to track going forward. And the last couple of stocks where I understand there could be large blocks very soon. So DCX Systems and Aster DM. These are the two names in the mid cap where there is an indication that it could be blocks coming very soon.
Thank you very much for that.